Whether you bought your furniture yesterday or a year ago, you want to keep it looking brand new. So imagine that you have the knowledge and know-how to do so. Well, in this video, I'm going to give you all the information you need in order to keep it looking like you bought it yesterday. And in this video, we're going to discuss the 5 tips on how to keep your furniture looking brand new. Tip number 1 is regularly vacuuming your furniture's fabric. You want to make sure and regularly vacuum your furniture so that way when the dust, dirt, and hair that accumulates over time doesn't mess with the fibers. But make sure that you use a soft bristled brush so that way you don't scratch or cause wear and tear on your upholstery. For everyday care and cleaning of your leather furniture, I would recommend using a soft microfiber cloth in order to wipe away any dust or dirt that accumulates. It's a good idea to use a leather conditioner about every 3 months in order to prevent from scuffs and scratches. Personally, I use a leather recoloring balm in order to enhance the natural tones and hues of my leather sofa to keep it looking brand new. You know how your favorite sweater can sometimes get little balls of fuzz that build up over time? Well, your upholstery can too. But an easy way to fight this is with the Conair Fabric Diffuser. What it does is it safely and effectively removes the loose strands of fibers from the top layer of your upholstery to keep it looking brand new. It's a good idea to weekly fluff your cushions and pillows so that way they keep their form and they stay comfortable. Spills do happen, and if they do, I would recommend spot cleaning them instead of removing the cushion and throwing it into the washing machine, because it's not impossible, but it's really difficult to get it back in. Letting natural sunlight into your home is always a great idea. However, too much direct sun on your fabric can cause it to fade. A good way to prevent this discoloration from your fabric is to put up window treatments. Window treatments are also a good way to add a little extra color and pattern to make your room come together as a whole. Those are the 5 easy care and cleaning tips to keep your furniture looking brand new. And if you like what you heard here today, you can subscribe down below. And also in the description, you can see where there's a La-Z-Boy Home Furnishings and Décor near you, where you can come in and talk to any interior designer just like me and figure out how we can help you.